Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Before we proceed, please like and subscribe to my channel. By the way, I'm John DC. In series, we will discuss about learning through experience by John Dewey. So, John Dewey, he was born on October 20, 1859 at Burlington, Vermont, USA. And also, John Dewey, extremely influential philosopher, and also developed a theory of education that emphasized the importance of experiment learning, or in simplified terms, learning by doing. He was a permanent advocate of actively engaging students and learning situation instead of possibly offering them learning. The theory of education. John Dewey believed that education should be a process of active engagement between instruction and learners. And also John Dewey believed that individuals grow and learn as they interact with the world through encounter with their surroundings. Individuals discover new ideas, concepts, and practices that allow them to form their own understanding, which they are gradually reinforced through their learning and social experience. So, John Dewey principles and ideas about education, experimental learning, social learning and social interaction, collaborative learning, critical reflection, curriculum investigation, word experience and questioning, emotional and responses. How to effectively utilize John Dewey's theory in our classrooms. John Dewey's theory encourages individuals to go out, explore the world, and learn from it. That doesn't mean that theory can't be applied to teacher structured environment. And also a learner interact with the world and gather knowledge. They should receive assistance in organizing and classifying information into concept to make the learner process less overwhelming. And also instructor to encourage the student to take action role in their learnings by offering the opportunities to explore and experiment with new concept, process, and practices. We have John Dewey's quotes. We do not learn from experience, we learn from reflecting on experience. Thank you for watching and God bless us all.